Hey guys, I just want to share something cool with you guys. I'm working on a new uh, OnPage analyzer specifically for local SEO. That's going to be a tool added to the mappacktoolbox.com. And I just want to show you today what does it do and what kind of metrics and a ranking what kind of metrics that it show you guys. So the first thing you do is actually you input your website URL right here. So we're using this as an example, and then you put the Google Place ID for that GMB, so we could get all the information that we need for the Google My Business to be able to compare it, analyze it for local SEO. And then we have you enter your main keyword, and then you could add your supporting additional keywords right here, one per line, and that's gonna be basically your supporting keywords. And then you click generate local SEO on page report. So right now we're fetching the SEO data from the GMB and from the website. And there's a lot of metrics that's going to give you. So we do have a score that for the local SEO on page, we recommend to have it at least 90 and up. Some pages you would see that it needs more work, and the green data, that means it's good. It doesn't need your attention. So if it's red, basically it needs your attention. If the word count right here is low on the landing page, that's gonna be it's gonna be red, so it needs your attention. And then it has the readability score. In this case, it's school level between 10th and 12th grade, which is okay. I mean, it could be better. So the ideal to write for the 7th or 8th grade, and this way it will give you better results. Now, when you scroll down right here, the first tab, you'll see the local SEO. So here, what we're doing is multiple things. There's a different score right here because I felt that there's a checklist for local SEO analysis here on the landing page that it's kind of crucial, right? So I always like to have this as 100%. Right? So in this case, if you look at the checklist, the first one, does the landing page has a map embed? If it does have the map embed, it's going to check, especially if it's the GMB, right? Does the page address match the GMB? So in this case, it does not. So let's say there is, main road, and road on your website is RD, and on your GMB is ROAD, right? So I know it's not a big difference, but it does matter, or having to match the exact address on your website and the GMB. So in this case, you know that you need to either edit the GMB or you need to edit the website. And then does it have a phone number that match the GMB? So this is another checkpoint right here. And then do you have, has the business hours? Does it have hours on the on page? Does it have any local keywords? When I say local keywords, it would be basically, any city, any service plus city, like any cities mentioned in the content. So if it does that, and I'll show you guys how many, the detected actually right here. It's gonna tell you which cities that it was detected. And just this way here, I gotta see what's there. Shouldn't be a detected city. We could fix that, no problem. But then it give you the score right here, and if it detect a business category from the content. So that's the first local SEO. And then we'll go to the content analysis. Basically, this is the analysis of the actual content. How many words does it have? Plain text size, plain text rate, the title to content consistency, basically, and then we have the description to content consistency. And you can see these are good numbers right here. And then we have the misspelled words, if it has any misspelled words that we need to fix. And then it give you the recommendation, correct the 4 spelling words to improve the content quality. So then we'll go to the readability score, and this is actually, I'm working on it right now. still have to fix this. It should give you the same results right here. Now I'll give you the word count. The school level should be the 10th and the 12th grade. And this is basically, I mean, all like there's about 5 readability scores that we put them in here. This is going to be fixed hopefully today. It's going to give you the score for each one, but the main one that the Kincaid index, this one, the Leftasas Kincaid index, I don't know if I said it right, but this is the main one, and this is what you have right here is the 53.6, which is the 10th grade, right? Overall readability assessment, the content is very easy to read and understand, so it gives you the assessment, plus it gives you the recommendation. Basically, you need to use bullet points, heading, and to improve the scannability, consider your target audience when assessing readability score. So this is for the readability, guys. And now we go to the technical SEO. Here we're gonna have a lot of like a checklist that it's a little bit more technical, but it's great that you have it right here. So, and we're gonna probably we're trying to figure out how we're gonna list this, and if you have any suggestions, that'll be great. It will help us, have this, develop the right way. So right now, a low content rate. That's when you hover over the information icon right here, it's gonna tell you what is it. So basically, ensure your content isn't too sparse relative to the overall page. This is, and then we have the high content rate. If it has the high content rate, it's going to be checked, which is something that you need to check it. I might reverse the X and the check, because it needs, the red should grab your something that needs your attention. But if it has misspelling, it's going to be right here. Meta tags, there's no meta refresh, appropriate title length, all of this is actually correct. So in the code, we just have to switch it. So basically these are check marks instead of something that needs your attention. The one that it needs attention right here, does it has an H1 tag? So this is an issue. The business does not have an H1 tag that we need to fix, right? And then you scroll down, you'll see the technical, more technical checklist from if there's the low waiting time and all of that. It's not, so everything is good on here. The page size, and then at the end it will give you the URL, which is it SEO friendly URL, character check, no dynamic URL, keyword in the URL, and appropriate URL length. So that's basically the technical SEO. And then we have the meta information, which is the title, description, and the canonical URL, and is it SEO friendly, and it should give you like the internal links along with external links. And then the last one would be the keywords. So the keyword here, I'm still working, it's a work in progress right now. In any comments or suggestions, guys, this will help me a lot. So based on the main keyword that we put, it's gonna count it how many times it was mentioned on the landing page. And in this case, it was 21 times, and the density is 1.9, and the recommended count is 16. So basically, the usage of personal injury is within a good range. So this is not an issue right here. But now we have the personal injury lawyer is too low because it's 4 times mentioned, but the recommended count 16. But in the same time, this is a supporting keyword. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna list this. So it's not the main one. It doesn't need to be 16 times mentioned. So yeah, I might play with this a little bit. So the supporting keywords would have a lower recommended count, and then it will give you basically it's in a good range. But in this case here, the personal injury is within a good range. So yeah, this is basically the local SEO analysis, on-page analysis, that it has multiple things that I don't think any tool out there that give you the on-page data from a local SEO perspective. So, I mean, if you guys have any ranking factor or anything that you would like to see on here for local SEO, that's something that you do on a daily basis on every campaign, please let me know in the comments or DM me. It will be great to build this together. I'm looking to actually deploy this and put it for you guys next week. So, so I would love to hear from you guys. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.